Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Yadrao Department of Information Technology. Today start 8th lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C DSU. Next slide syllabus. We already seen in our first lecture syllabus of our course. There are total 5 units. Unit number 1 Introduction to Data Structures for 6 marks. Unit number 2 Searching and Sorting for 12 marks. Unit number 3 Stacks and Queues for 20 marks. Unit number 4 Linked List for 16 marks. Unit number 5 Trees and Graphs for 16 marks. There are total 70 marks, means their subject theory exam. In that totals out of 70 marks we return the paper. In a syllabus, up to in previous lectures, unit number 1 Introduction to Data Structures for 6 marks, it is completely that syllabus is over. Now in this lecture we start the new chapter, that is new unit. That unit number is 2, that name is Searching and Sorting for 12 marks. Okay, revise that some points in a unit number 1 which we are already studied. In a unit number 1 Introduction to Data Structure, there are 4 sub points that are already we studied that. In a 1.1 we studied the concept of data structures, after that need of data structure, after that abstract data type. After that in a second sub point we learn the types of data structures. In that there are 2 types of data structure. We learn that linear data structure and non-linear data structure. In a linear data structure, their types are, or methods or techniques are array, linked list, stack, queue. And in a non-linear data structure, that tree and graph. Okay, in a next the third sub points algorithm complexity. In that we seen that time complexity and space complexity. Okay, after the last 4th sub point we know or we studied operations on data structure. There are the 2 types of operations, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive means the basic operations which are creation, destroy, selection and update. And in a non-primitive we seen the operations insertion, deletion, sorting, merging, searching and traversing. Okay, after some extra points regarding your exam, also studied that after completion of unit number 1 and after I given one test on it, in this test not get the maximum marks, so it is starting test, that is test number 1. It's okay, but you do well studied, daily you studied, then not difficulty to understand of subject data structure. Okay, so do daily work, that is only for you. Prepare the points your video lectures. Okay, now onward we going on next chapter, that is unit number 2 Searching and Sorting. Okay, means we in today's lecture we start the new chapter, that is new unit Searching and Sorting. Okay, there are the 2 sub points. 2.1 is searching and 2.2 is sorting. Okay, in a 2.1 searching there are the some methods or techniques or types. Okay, whatever you know or whatever you talk it, means you also means you also talk the methods or types or techniques whatever. Okay, in a 2.1 searching there are the methods: first linear search and second binary search. In a sorting the methods are: first bubble sort, second selection sort, third insertion sort, fourth quick sort, and fifth radix sort. Means these are the methods. Total there are the 5 and there are the 2, means total 7 methods are studied in this unit number 2, searching and sorting. Okay, unit number 2 is out of 12 marks and it is easy chapter. You easily understand and you will daily study. After that you definitely get out of out marks. In this chapter some methods are there and these are carefully studied and clear your points, then you understand well, otherwise not. So do study daily, and important is that daily you have your video lectures wise points are prepare it, then not difficulty for you, then not difficult for you this subject. Next slide means in that start our points. First point, searching. Okay, what is mean by searching? Searching is a technique of finding an element from the given data list or set of the elements like an array, list or trees. Data list or set of elements means what? Using through data structure. Which are the data structure? Array, list, trees, etc. This data structure through you store the elements in a memory. That in a data structures through you any specific elements are finding it using these techniques. This technique is known as searching. Means what? You use the array, list or trees. Using this data structure you elements are stored in a memory. Okay, in these elements any elements you find it, then how it is possible? Using through searching techniques through you find these elements. Okay, it is a technique, that is it is a technique to find out an element in a sorted or unsorted list. Given one for example, means using example your clear point is clear, means is that consider an array of 10 elements. Means what? In a array there are the 10 elements are there. Okay, these data elements are stored in a successive memory locations. Means what? In one array is declared and in that there are the 10 elements are stored, and these 10 elements are stored in a memory locations. Okay, after that we need to search an element from the array. Means what? How many we store the elements in a memory? 10. Okay, we need to search an element in that 10 elements. Okay, in the how to is possible? Using the searching operation. Means what? In the searching operations assume a particular element n is to be searched. The element n is compared with the all the elements in the list starting from the first element of an array till the last element. Okay, means that using through searching operations. Okay, in a array 10 elements of array. Okay, in a 10 elements of array any particular elements, n number of elements to be searched. Okay, then how it is to be searched? That n elements is compared with all elements in that array, that starting from first element to the last element. In a that traversing that elements, searching one by one elements. Okay, after that we find out that elements. That technique is known as the searching. Okay, For example, you declare the array for 10 elements. Okay, means what? 10 elements are stored in a memory. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, means in that one element is stored in a 0th position location in a array. After that, last 10 elements are stored in a 9th position because it is the array and it is the starting from 0th location. Okay, in that 1 to 10 numbers, within any numbers you find out. For example, we find the 7 number, then means that particular 7 number is compared with starting to ending. Okay, whenever we find, means our first element is 1, then that 7 number is compared with 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. Whenever this is equal number is find, then you obtain your which are we finding the elements. That techniques, that operations are known as searching. Okay, in other way say that, means what we say that the process of searching is continued till the element is found or list is completely exhausted. Okay, sorry, exhausted means what? Your searching is continue till your element is found in the list. Okay, and when list is finished, that time too your technique is stop. Okay, means what? When next point, when the exact match is found, then the search process is terminated, means stop. Means what? In a that elements, sorry, in a list, exact when element is match, means what? That element is found, then search process is stop. Okay, and next point, when no such element exists in the array, the process of searching should be abandoned, means that left that searching process in that program. Means when that element are not exist in that array, means not present in that array, then the process of searching should be abandoned, means left of that in a array. The next point, the complexity of the complexity of any searching method is determined from the number of comparisons performed among the collected elements in order to find the element. Means complexity of searching method, how it is possible or how it is determined, that determine number of comparisons performed on that array, means find the any element, how many comparisons are calculated, that depends on the determine the complexity. Okay, the next point, the time required for the operations is depend on the complexity of the operation or a algorithm. Okay, means complexity of the operation or complexity of the algorithm, means how many time required. Okay, that determine or find that elements, that depends on that array, that time is using through time we determine the complexity of that searching method or that searching techniques. In other words, we say that the performance of searching algorithm can be measured by counting the comparisons in order to find the given element from the list. Clear that? Means performance of searching algorithm, how to measure, using through counting the comparisons in order to find the given elements from the list. We provide that list, that given elements, find out how many comparisons are used, means counting that comparisons, that measure that performance of searching algorithm means we calculate the complexity of that searching techniques. Okay. Next point, there are following 3 cases in which an element can be found. Means there are the provide the 3 cases. In these 3 cases through we say that these elements in a under the best case or under the worst case or under the average case. Okay, means what? For in we that cases one by one. See, first case, when the element is found during the first comparison, then complexity is said to be best case. Okay, clear that? Means what? In that case says that when we says that complexity is best when in the array which element we find, that element is found during the first comparison, means in first attempt you get that number, then this case is known as best case. Okay, clear that point? Okay, when we says that best case complexity when the element is found during the first comparison. Okay, second case, which are the second case? When the element is found only in the last comparison, then complexity is said to be worst case. When we call the worst case when that the element is found only in the last comparison, means after 1 to means starting to last elements we check that one by one elements is match or not, then last comparisons that find that number. In that case we know that complexity is worst case. Okay, in that meaning is you understood. Best means best case, worst case, etc. Okay, in it is the meaning in that word to say that meaning. The third case is when number of comparisons should be more than comparisons in the best case and less than the worst case, then complexity is said to be average case. Okay, means what? The average case, when we said when that comparison is more than best case and less than worst case complexity, that average, when we determine that when we average element is found, that known as the average case. Means what? In a previous slide we see one example that array is 10 elements, in that we store the elements are 10, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we know that example. In that we say that, for example, we find the number 1. Okay, means in a array one number is stored the position 0, means the first comparisons we found that element, then that case known as, means that case, this algorithm or these techniques we said that this is the best case complexity, means best case. Why? Because that time duration is low, means in first attempt or in a first comparison we found the number, so we say that this is the best case complexity. Okay, okay, another element we find out, means for example in that array we find the element 10. Okay, then that 10 element is stored in a array that last position, that is 9th position, then that 10 elements are matches one by one element in a array, means it is matches for 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 5 number, 6 number, okay, up to 10, means last comparisons we found out that element, so that complexity is said to be worst case. Okay, and we find the element, for example 6. Okay, this is the middle number in that array, means it is the more than comparison of best case and it is less than the worst case. So in this case we said to be average case, means we find the sixth number. Then sixth number, how it is possible? We checking first, starting from first elements, means it is matches with one number, two number, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 we match it number and we found that elements. That is the in a average number. It is the middle number in a array. So that's said to be average case complexity. Clear that point? In that said that any element is found in a array, and there how to be said to be complexity are there are in a three cases. We says that the case is best case or worst case or average case. Okay. And this time complexity, what is mean by complexity, what is mean by time complexity, what is mean by space complexity, or what is mean by best case, worst case and average case, that are studied in our previous lecture. Okay, in the points of algorithm complexity, that points we clear that. So not it is the difficulty to understand. You understand these cases in a word through we meaning is that displayed. Okay. There are following two methods of searching. They are, we also says that method or types or techniques. In a question any words are asked. In a question you asked explain types or method or techniques of searching. That time you answer it these two methods. Okay. Okay, start the points over. There are the following two methods of searching. They are first linear or sequential search. This is also known as the linear or sequential search. And second searching method is known as binary search. Okay, but these two searching methods are studied in detail in a next lecture. In this lecture only we definition is known, what is mean by linear search and what is mean by binary search. In detail means this what is linear search, that definition, the syntax, algorithm, program, example, advantages, disadvantages. These are the points are studied in a next lecture. Okay, one by one. Binary search and linear search. Okay, in that only for definition we know. Definition or actually what is mean by linear search means how through linear search we number is found and how through binary search we number is found. Okay, the search method in which an element to be entire data structure in a sequential way from starting to end is called as linear search. Clear that point? Means that in that said that search method in which element is how to find in a entire data structure, means entire array we find sequentially, means linearly, means one by one from starting to end. This technique is known as linear search. Okay, next point, linear search can be used on a sorted or unsorted list. Okay, means in this array which we are elements are stored, they can be they can be sorted or unsorted. Okay, after that second method of searching is that binary search. Binary search uses divide and conquer approach to find the position of a specified value within a sorted array. Means that in that technique or in that method, how to element is found, the which any we pass or any provide the sorted array, that divide and conquer approach is using through that techniques through we find the that elements. Means what? In that, in a sorted array, that two parts are divided, first part and second part, and that first part we find the number, or in a in a second part the find the element. That techniques is known as binary search. Okay, in detail we studied that when we start this point. Okay, to search, and next point, to search an element in a array using binary search, the list should be sorted in a ascending order. Okay, means what? In this point only we know the definition. In a searching there are two types. One is the linear search and other is the binary search. Using through linear search, we how to we number found it using through sequentially, means one by one the element is checked. And in a binary search, how will be possible? In a binary search, first in a array we are divide in two parts, and that two parts we search the element. Okay, means these two techniques through, or these two method through we find the searching element. And in a linear search, that array will be in a sorted or unsorted list, but in a binary search their elements are in a sorted in a ascending order. Okay, summary of this today's lecture is that in today's lecture we seen that concept of searching, means what is mean by searching techniques. Okay, or definition of searching. Okay, in a searching word their meaning is clear, that searching means find the number. In where we find the number? In a data structure. Which type of data structure? In a array, list, tree. These are using the data structure. We store the elements in a memory. That elements, that data structures, any specific element we find using through types of methods, or using through two techniques, which are first linear search and binary search. Okay, on today's lectures give only one question for you, that assignment number 2. It is your homework. Today's lecture assignment number 2 means we given some assignments. Okay, means in a previous chapter number 1, that given one assignment number 1. Hope all are completed it. I think 20 questions are there, and these questions are you write in your notebook. Okay, next we start the second unit, new chapter. So we give the assignments. Okay, that assignments in on today's lecture, define searching and give its type. Only for we define definition of searching and list their types. Which are the types? There are two types, which are linear search and binary search. On today's lecture only ask a question, define searching and list the types of searching. Okay, this is your start the second assignment, and there only one question is given today's lecture, that completed. And it is the one important notice or important point is, and when you are came in a college, that time you have completed in your today assignment which are provided through your video lectures. Okay, that's the effect of your marks, so not ignore this message. Daily only for 2 or 3 questions are there on that slides or that video lecture. So daily you do, or daily you write down that questions in a notebook. So because these marks are calculated in your term work. Okay, so I am again told that assignments are completed daily, that on your video lectures I am given. Okay. Here stop our today's lecture. Any regarding today's lecture, any queries asked, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.